Alright, good afternoon. Today has turned into one of those days of hurry up and wait. We are outside of Cincinnati. We're on our way to a job site, which is apparently on top of a hill, which is where they're going to install this cell tower section. And there isn't enough room at the top of the job site for more than one truck. So they've been calling us up one at a time. We're at a little truck stop about 15 miles away. And they just called me about 10 minutes ago to come on up here. We got about 2 more miles to go. Not too sure what I'm going to get it into. I've heard that this job site is really muddy. I heard that they had to use a bulldozer to pull the truck in. So I'm not too happy about that. So we'll see what it's all about. On the bright side, we booked 3 loads for the rest of the week. We're going to be doing short runs for a while, which I like. So if we can get this thing off our truck, we got about 40 miles down to our next load to go get reloaded. And then from there, once we get reloaded, we only have 100 miles to go. So we're coming up on our road here shortly.
Turn left on Zion Road.
There's the other truck right there. He's coming out. not happy at all.
You want me to go out around the dirt, or you want me to try to go that way? Say when. right, this day is almost over with. Let's take a look at what we got here. Okay, we loaded our roofing shingles. We got right at 47,000 pounds of roofing shingles. Two things on this. I learned this today from a TMC driver. See how I got that strap up under that corner of that pallet? I got it fished through the hole, down through the bottom, and then up. I have never thought about that. And I watched a TMC driver do that this morning or today. And it's a good idea. Otherwise, what happens if you don't, you have to fight that strap along the side right here, and you could damage it. So I learned that today. That's a good idea. So what I did is just take it and stick it down through the hole of the pallet right there, come out and go up. So I learned something today. Roofing shingles are pretty simple. You don't want to crank down on them too hard, just get them enough snugged up. This is kind of a weird load because it's got all kinds of different stuff right there. Look at all the mud. Now that is from this morning at that job site, and that was unbelievable that I had to get dragged through the mud with the bulldozer. So 2 straps on the back. Look at all that. Yeah, I was not a happy camper. I was not a happy camper. I don't think I tore anything up. I have to check my bumper. 2 straps in the back here. Right here. Now, you see these on the top right here, and then you see these right here. Because those are up there, those will hold those on. But look right here. Now you see how I got a 2-inch strap right here? See that one bundle right there? Now, if I had the big 12-inch edge protectors to go across there, it wouldn't be an issue. But since I have the little ones, you can either take that bundle, turn it sideways on top of this one, or it was just as easy to dump to put a 2-inch strap on there and take care of it. But yeah, you have to have something on that one bundle, and that's one thing about roofing shingles. You have to be careful. Now, these aren't that bad because you see the way there's no exposed single shingles on the top up there. But same thing up here, 2 on the front, and then you can see we put the strap underneath the bottom right there. But yeah, these roofing shingles, they're real easy. They're real easy, and they don't pay that bad actually. And so, oh man, I washed the truck. Truck was looking good. You can see all the mud. But hey, let me show you in the front. Now that bulldozer, I have a toe pendle on the front up here, and that's what he was hooked up to, was that toe pendle right there, and that's what he was pulling me with. But you gotta be careful, don't tear up the bumper. I mean, I know my bumper ain't nothing special, but I was not happy, you know, because then you get in that mud, and when that starts pulling, you don't know if it's gonna screw the steering up, or you know, the mud get caught up in something. But all right, we got about 100 miles or so to go for today. We got to get on. I'm going to try to get on the other side of Indianapolis. We got about 3.5 hours left on our clock, and about 100 miles to go. So we should be all right. Find a place to park. Tomorrow, we got about from where we're going to park, we got about 15 miles to go to deliver. Come back 15 miles to get reloaded, and then we're going over to Ohio. So hopefully tomorrow goes a little bit better. So, all right, talk to you guys when we get over there to the Loves. Talk to you in a bit. All right, it's the end of the day. We made it to the Loves truck stop. We're over here in Pittsboro, Indiana. We got to go about 15 miles north of here up to Lebanon, drop off our roofing shingles,
and then we're going to come right back here, because right across the street is where we're going to pick up steel rods and take them over to Shelby, Ohio, and deliver those on, what's tomorrow, Thursday morning. So we don't have anything out of Ohio yet, but I'm not worried about it. A lot of that stuff books day of or day before, so we might see a lot of stuff hit the board tomorrow. So, all right, it was just a messed up day. I did not like getting down in there with my truck. I was more concerned about tearing up my truck than anything. Because then if it gets tore up, who's at fault? Who's at blame? I was talking to Teresa on the phone. I wish there was some way that, you know, when you take a load like that requires something like that at delivery, where, you know, there's a chance you're going to have to get towed through to the job site, that would be mentioned before. Because, man, I'll tell you, if I had a brand new truck and they wanted me to do that with a brand new truck, no. So I don't know, but that doesn't happen very often. I'll just keep an eye out. I keep it tucked away in the back of my mind about where I pick that stuff up, and next time. So, all right, it's the end of the day. Come here, Cali dog. Come here, Cali dog. Here's Cali dog. Say hi. Here, so you can see Cali dog. She's hungry. She's been a good girl today. So we're gonna go out and take her. Oh, there you go. We're gonna go ahead and take her out for a walk. Feed her. All right. Talk to you guys later. Tomorrow should be a little bit better. We're gonna yank this off. Should go smoothly. Come back over here. Load steel rods. Don't have to tarp it, so that should go smoothly. And take off for Ohio. So thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later.